My dear friends, my name is Vijoy Cherian, the author of the recently published book Frontline Leadership During and Post Pandemic. Turning into a writer was a dream come true, and I am thankful to all those who motivated me to write this book. I am an engineering professional with over 20 years of working experience. I have an extensive international working experience and currently heading the subsidiary of an 80-year-old Japanese manufacturing company in India. I must mention that it was a great personal experience writing a book that is more relevant to probably one of the biggest health and business crises of recent times. Let me tell you in brief about how my journey as a writer began. During the early days of the lockdown, my friend called me for a casual chat, and during our conversation, he mentioned about a book which really got me interested. The next day, during my regular morning walk, I started listening to this audiobook. That was a turning point for me, wherein I started to listen to audiobooks of various famous writers. Over the period of 1 month, I did listen to at least 7 to 8 books, and I noticed many topics and concepts in the books are related to life, career, and I could relate to each one of these challenges. Make you say, yes, immediately. My morning routine of the walking and listening to audiobooks inspired me to address those challenges and in turn help others also to sail through these difficult times. And the obvious choice was to write a book that may guide others as well. I wrote this in my diary, and as destiny would have it, within a few days, I saw a video from a book publisher on my Facebook page about book publishing. I said to myself that everything is perfectly aligned for me to become an author. That publisher I saw in that video eventually becomes my book publisher, Adyan Books, who helped me to publish this book. My daily routine of morning walk and listening to audiobooks is the primary reason I could write this book. Whatever happened thereafter was the result of my motivation and a powerful determination to become an author. I have discussed in the book about various leadership challenges faced by the leaders, managers, department heads in the organization during and post-COVID-19 pandemic, and have provided solutions, measures to ensure the business runs smoothly. There are 5 major areas vastly discussed in the book wherein the leader need to focus to ensure smooth transition into a new normal for business continuity. The 5 focus topics are as follows. Number 1, the challenges in terms of changing work environment due to COVID-19. What remedial actions can be taken in the organization to accommodate these changes? Number 2, the roadblocks in managing a team that is working remotely. What specific methods and tools that can be deployed to address these challenges to effectively integrate the teams? Number 3, the need for digital transformation in the companies to sustain business. Number 4, managing the behavioral changes in the employees due to various issues relating to COVID-19. Number 5, finally, the challenges in terms of sustaining the business and various actions needed for the business continuity. The book emphasizes on the need for leaders in the present environment to recognize the importance for a new beginning with a new normal. The current situation calls for a different kind of leadership. Not just one strategy would succeed. The book explains about various skills that a leader needs to possess to support his team seamlessly. Major contribution to the book was taken from inputs and experiences of some of the global industry leaders who shared their thoughts and ideas on different ways to overcome various organizational challenges at the time of the pandemic. I have also included some beautiful illustrations to provide a good reading experience to my readers. As the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. As a leader, I myself was clueless about how to overcome some of the situations and issues that arise due to the COVID-inflicted challenges. There is no article or book that is available to refer. There are no guidelines to follow. That is when I started to look into the issues, did some research by listening to various renowned leaders, read articles, and listed down all major issues. With those major issues identified, I approached some of the global industry leaders and my mentors and requested them to share their ideas and thoughts. The book was developed with the help of their valuable ideas and experiences. The book is not a comprehensive guide to the topic, but it covers some of the major aspects and provides some easy solutions to adapt to the new normal and ensures business continuity. During the course of time, I did get infected with the coronavirus, but I used it to my advantage. It gave altogether a different meaning, and I used my experience well in the subject that I have covered in my books as I could relate to my own personal experience. I hope the book will give some valuable insights in facing daily challenges that come up in your organization and become a guide for you to follow and ensure the business runs smoothly. I wish all readers a happy reading. Thank you for your participation in my journey. Thank you.